Jewel tones deliver power, depth, and calm at once. For mothers of the bride, these shades cut through noise and read as confident, modern, and photogenic. Emerald, sapphire, ruby, amethyst, and garnet hold color in daylight and evening lighting, keeping skin tone lively on camera. Please like, share, and subscribe. Now follow this direct guide to pick a dress that works under ceremony light, reception movement, and real timelines today. Start with skin undertone, then map to color. Cool undertones take sapphire, amethyst, and true emerald. Warm undertones take garnet, topaz, and teal-leaning green. Neutral undertones can wear nearly all jewel tones, but favor mid-depth shades over neon brights. Match color to wedding palette only if asked by the couple. Choose structure that supports all-day wear. A-line with a defined waist flatters most bodies and moves well on dance floors. Fit M-flare shapes create balance when shoulders or bust lead. Sheath or column dresses suit minimal style and tall frames. Wrap styles offer adjustability through changing schedules and meals. Add a matching bolero, cape, or tailored jacket for coverage, not apology. Pick fabric for light, temperature, and movement. Satin and Mikado give crisp shine that supports saturated jewel tones on camera. Crepe offers matte control and smooth lines. Chiffon layers float without heaviness, helpful for outdoor heat. Velvet reads rich under evening lights and cool seasons, but manage warmth. Lace works when pattern scale stays quiet against bold color. Lock fit early, then refine. Prioritize shoulder, bust, and waist mapping, since jewel tones highlight shape and posture. Hem for your true heel height, not a fantasy number. Add bust cups or smooth shapewear only if needed for seam stability, not size reduction. Schedule alterations with honest timelines and buffer. Keep accessories strict. Choose metal that matches undertone and dress hardware. Yellow gold warms emerald and garnet. White metals sharpen sapphire and amethyst. Pearls soften edges when the dress fabric shines. Shoes. Stable block heel or elegant flat with grip for grass or marble. Bag. Hard case clutch, no oversized totes. Jewel tones deliver presence, clean photos, and timeless color depth when fit, fabric, and styling align. Use undertone mapping, structured silhouettes, and disciplined accessories to keep the look controlled from aisle to last dance. Keep schedules honest and tools ready. Respect venue codes and coordination needs. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below.